Fish meal is the best source of organic nitrogen for plants, and in this video we will discuss all about fish meal fertilizer, including its benefits for plants, the right way to use it and some of its side effects. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fish meal is made up of non-edible fishes, and this organic fertilizer contains a good amount of nitrogen as well as other essential nutrients. Fish meal is a light to dark brown colored semi-powdered material that have a strong fishy smell, and it's often used to boost the foliar growth of a plant. Fish fertilizer contains many benefits for plants, so let's talk about them one by one. First of all, fish meal is a great source of nutrients for plants. It majorly contains nitrogen that is very important for the healthy growth of leaves. Commonly, the yellow leaves appear due to the deficiency of nitrogen in the plant body, and here fish meal can be a solution for this. For learning more about yellow leaves and their treatment, check out the article linked in the description box. Regularly using fish meal also works as a stress reducer, means the plant stresses like drought, heat or minor pest attacks won't harm the plant so much badly if you are using it regularly. That's important to enhance the hardiness of a plant with the environmental change. Fish meal also improves the quality of soil like other organic fertilizers. It improves soil drainage, looseness and also prevents soil erosion. A good fertilizer plays a big role for growing any type of plant. Many problems appear on a plant just because of a hard and poorly draining soil mix, but it's very easy to make a good soil mix at home. A detailed video is added in the description box and I button, so must check it out. Another plus point of fish meal fertilizer is that it's a high potency fertilizer, and this is very useful for the heavy feeder plants. High potency means it contains more amount of every element per dose, unlike the low dose fertilizers like compost. So here again fish meal is very useful. Fish meal also contains micro elements like zinc, iron, copper, manganese and so on. These elements are required in small amounts, but their shortage causes many types of leaf problems like calcium deficiency appears with black spots and nitrogen deficiency appears with yellow leaves, etc. Therefore, a good source of trace elements is very important for every plant. You must use such a source for a healthy harvest, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Another benefit of using fish meal fertilizer for plants is the improved activity of microbes in the soil. These small creatures are very important for soil environment, and fish meal promote their growth and activity. Fish fertilizer have an acidic effect on the soil, and this thing can be very useful for flowering plants because they like such a mixture. Regularly using fish meal can improve soil pH, but only if you use right dose. Fish meal is also a natural and organic source of nutrients that is a very useful thing for organic gardening. Fish meal also have long-lasting effects on the plant growth. The fertilizer dissolves slowly with the soil and keeps on providing its benefits with time. If you use fish meal for plants regularly, the defense system of your plants will be much more stronger and you will find very less diseases. That's also because of fish meal fertilizer. To get to these benefits the right way and time to use this fertilizer is the most important thing. To apply fish meal on your plants, first loose the upper layer of soil and let it dry. Now take a dose of fish meal and add it over the soil surface. You can also buy fish meal fertilizer from the description box link. The dose depends on the plant age and container size. Some estimated amounts are also added over the screen. Simply follow them. Mix the fertilizer evenly with the soil. Once it's done, now you can add water. Do a deep watering as it helps in better absorption. The best time to apply fish meal fertilizer is in the growing season of the plant, and in the dormancy time fish meal have no use. You can use fish meal fertilizer on almost all type of plants because nitrogen is required by all plants. You can use this fertilizer for younger fruiting and flowering plants, vegetables and most importantly for indoor plants. Just avoid using for succulents and cacti. For them you can use this homemade growth booster made with very simple ingredients and works just fine. Detailed video is added in the description box and I button. Must check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fish fertilizer also contains some side effects or drawbacks like any other organic fertilizer, so let's talk about them. Firstly, it's not cost effective. Depending upon the area where you live, it might be expensive, but you can buy it from the description box. That is much cheaper and have a good quality. Overuse of fish meal can also cause soil acidification, means the pH decreases very much and it affects the plant growth very badly. The leaves may dry and the plant shows a shocked condition, so follow the dosage as described. Little up and down is fine, but don't go much far. Regular use of fish meal can also cause soil saltiness, but this happens when we use a low quality product, so buy the fish meal from the description box. Fish fertilizer also have a strong and a fishy smell, but it will be gone as soon as you mix it with the soil. This can be irritating, so mix properly. Fish meal is a slow release fertilizer and takes much longer to get into the plant. So remember, it's not a quick fix. If you are dealing with any type of leaf problem, instead of using fish meal, you should use compost tea because it works quickly. Here is the complete guide to show you the whole way to make and apply compost tea fertilizer. Must check it out and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.